Alright, so we're just going to be going over all the, not the issues, the things that we want to get fixed on the website. So this is the customer side. Let me just move this around. And let me open up the admin side as well. Omni, admin. Got it. Let me make this dark. Got it. So the basic things that I did want to fix are, I believe it was products. I do remember saying that, let's say if I want to change the quantity, or actually this being able to expand, so they can see this a little larger if it's possible. Let's say we click on it, and it expands. I think that was one thing. And yeah, if these icons can, we can have an option to make this a little bigger. That would be nice, since they're really small thumbnails. So on the sales orders, when I'm making a new order, I want there to be a section in here where they can look at the shop. So the things that we put in our shop, they can see all the items that we have in the shop, not the ones that are in our inventory. For example, like our catalog, but like a shop where it's connected and they can see like, oh, this is something we want to order, and they can place an order through the shop. And that's one thing I do want to set up right now. Currently, I guess they can only add products that they need, that they have in their system, or that we've sold them. But let's say they want to do a product search for something that they don't have, but that might be in our shop. I would want to have that in here. Yeah. Let's see. Of course, the add stock, remove stock. So, one thing in here is like whenever we click right here, I think the most recents pop up right in here. Let me. Let's see. So basically, I'm just gonna be going through this overall, and there might be certain areas where I discover something. I just don't remember it at the moment. Um, so let me copy this, cancel. Dashboard, add stock. So even when there's no products in here, I mean when there's nothing typed in, this is still popping up. Is this the most recent stuff, I'm guessing, that pops up? I'm guessing it is. If I was trying to see if there's a way where we can have like a section for recent, and where it doesn't come up here, if that's possible. Date. Okay. Okay, on the admin side, um, I think there was sales orders, which is connected to the customer. Here, I want to be able to delete them. Whenever I delete them, they give me internal server error. Um, Also, let me see. I think we can add. Okay. Um, so I did set this up as well. I kind of figured this out. Customer SNB warehouse status. We can say ordered for something, pending, draft. Got it. Let's see. So I'm guessing the item has to be in our catalog in order for it to be for us to do a sales order. I'm guessing makes sense. Okay, so one thing I do want to clarify is like these product pricing. Is it possible? So when someone is seeing these items on their side, so on the customer side, right now, these are their own products. But let's say they want to look at products which we have. How can they do that? Um, I want them to have access to that, but where I have a different area where that allows them to do that. So they can choose the one items they want. Kind of like here, they can add like, oh, I want this, where it has images as well. Um, the products here looks nice. If there could be a image, um, that'd be nice. An image with a scroll down. If there's more items, that would be also helpful. Another thing was, let me see. I think it was on the customer side. Yeah, here the oil filters. I'm guessing when I add more um, different type of products, where it says, so I'm guessing these are the catalogs. I want there to be a drop down. Instead, I think it just keeps compiling up here, which can cause like, let's say if there's a lot of different items, that can cause issues later on. I want there to be like a drop down to for me to choose the categories. Okay, let's go back to the admin side. Okay, we're almost at 10 minutes. Brands, voices. Oh yeah, invoices as well. I just made this invoice. But let's say I want to delete the invoice on my end, I can't delete it. Of course, I wouldn't want some random person deleting them. I want to be able to delete them on my end, as like the main admin who's responsible for everything. Um, if I have permissions given to someone else to manage this, of course, I wouldn't want them deleting things. I'd only want to be able to do that. If there's a way where we can set that up, that would be nice. Um, I haven't, of course, used this yet. Um, suppliers. These are just suppliers. Of course, purchase orders. I'm guessing I have to put this in manually for the things that get received. And then, okay, I think there was another thing here on the customer's side. Um, like whenever I click here, I want to be able to go into the account, but I have to usually click here and I believe edit. No. Let me cancel that. I think it was where I wanted to click here and it take me to the um, customer side where it tells me what things they have. So I'm trying to see. Oh, I guess it's under users. No. Where did it go? Customers. Oh, okay. It's the view button. Uh, Maybe if we can change this somehow. Edit. Where it'd be nice if this view button was kind of on this whole thing, and then I can click here, and then it'll take me to there. And then also the image, it doesn't match up with their image as well. If we can fix that as well. Um, and got it. And then over here, order history. I believe this is the most recent. Return history, stock. These are the items they have in stock. I guess I can't click on this. The thumbnails, if you can fix that, I guess there's like two boxes in here. And if you could make it where it's a little bit bigger, let's say I can change the size of the thumbnails. Let's say if I want to make them bigger or smaller, where if that's possible. Because right now it's like really hard to tell what photo is on there as well. I mean, this isn't really important. I'd just keep it like this for now, I guess. Maybe if you can make these changes later. And I did also want where once we click on the customer, I think I did go over this, where it can display like how much the customer owes or how many outstanding bills they have or whatnot, bills that aren't paid. If we can make those changes, I believe I remember talking about this before, and then I did get sick, so I never got the chance to go over that with you again. Okay, yeah, of course, be able to delete this. It was just a test I was doing. The dashboard is nice. I want to be able to change these things. Um, I don't know if we can, because I know I'm just using this on my end. Um, I don't think this is really necessary, being an admin. But if we can display these type of things on their end, on their dashboard, where like let's say there's a deal going on, they can see it up here. That would be nice. Um, of course, on our end, if I can make those changes, if I can, you know, add those type of, you can say advertisement on my end, and where it displays on their side, that would be really nice. Um, I'm not sure what POS is. If we can maybe go over this, I'm guessing it's point of sale. Um, Over here, I guess these are updates on the system. This is nice. Let's say later on we do allow people to use this software um, later on down the line where we set it up for a company. Um, and it does display new updates. That would be nice. Of course, being able to edit this and like add this information in, I'm sure you can do it on your end. Um, um, of course, I don't know if this is very if we can do anything with these, because this has been um, this information just now is been like that for a while. It doesn't adjust the timing. Um, yeah, if that's something we can fix up. Admin user, I guess this icon can hopefully be updated according to this icon. That would be nice. Um, I'd say we can maybe go over the main, the main things that are necessary. Um, and then make adjustments accordingly. Um, yeah. Later on, I'd of course want to make some aesthetic changes later on, but let's just focus on the main concept of things first, and then later on we can make more visual changes. Um, Users, I did have a question on this. I guess there's roles in here, and I don't know like what the admin role or the you know user role does. Um, if we can fix, if you can maybe go over those things, it'd be nice if we could make different roles for a particular company. Where let's say their mechanics have a certain role, but their admin user has like different abilities as well. For example, to remove a purchase order or do other things. If we can go over this as well and maybe change the names, I guess, in here. I don't know what this all means. Role, customer, operator, um, admin. Um, I guess like I did click role user, and then if we can go over that, what that means, that would be nice. Um, Also, I don't know if let's say they wanted to change their password. I make that change in here, or how would that work? Um, I also want to go over that as well, and also if you can maybe make the phone number setting default where it adds the dashes in between the numbers, so kind of like this. Um, this is the usually the format. If we can add that. Um, Okay, we're reaching almost 20 minutes now. I guess we can fix these issues first and then maybe go over whatever else we need to do. Um, yeah. Okay, I'm getting a fail error here as well. I don't, sometimes the fail errors do come up and I'm always unsure of why they're coming up. So that can also be a little bit challenging um, in the sense of trying to figure out why I'm getting the error. I'm guessing it's because of the dashes. Let me see if that fixes it. Hmm. Interesting. I guess it's not letting me make that change either. So I'm just press cancel on that for now. Adjustment orders. So I guess there are like a warehouse in here. We can click here. It'd be nice if we can look at what items are in this warehouse. That would be nice. Um, of course, there's just only one, but nothing is displayed on this area. Maybe we can change that. Categories, brands, invoices, payment method, payments. Okay, I haven't taken a payment for anything yet. Um, yeah. And I believe I was trying to get the um invoices printed, I believe, or download a invoice PDF, and I get this error. So if we can fix that, that would be really helpful. Um, Cross print invoice. It says generated downloading PDF. I'm not sure how that works because it doesn't download into my system. Um, Edit invoice. So it does display the unit price. I'm guessing on their end, this is how much they paid for it before. Um, we could probably go over that later. Cancel this. But yeah, I'm gonna stop it right there. I've been 22 minutes now. Um, so this will just be the first step, I guess. All right, bye.